choosing parts up to the task is the most important step in vehicle repair. Because sometimes a whole ecosystem is dependent on the right reinforcements. Take, for instance, brake rotors. All GM original equipment brake rotors include corrosion protection. And when that protection is ferritic nitrocarburizing, rotors can last up to 80,000 miles, double the typical lifespan of a non-coated rotor. General Motors actually developed the FNC process. It starts with bonding the cast iron rotor surface with nitrogen atoms to create an extra protective barrier. That barrier helps FNC rotors resist wear. It also helps them keep right on going through Mother Nature's worst, like saltwater worst or acid rain. But even rotors that can put up with real nonsense are still parts of a complex whole. Breaking components that are worn or just plain wrong can throw whole systems out of balance, like an anti-lock braking system or GM's StabiliTrak system, which relies on calculations from a vehicle's electronic brake control module to apply exacting pressure at one or more wheels for added stability when needed. So when a repair part needs to slow a roll, certainty starts here. With GM Genuine Parts and AC Delco parts designed to go a greater distance and engineered to support the whole operation.